Here is how we can make the iPad compatible with apps. So let me explain it from multiple different angles. Let's get started. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so if your iPad doesn't support the latest editions of the apps, what you're going to do is, of course, get to the settings, general, and a software update, and make sure you install the latest iPad OS version if there is anything available, because in many cases the developers tie or connect apps to specific versions of the iPad software, and you just want to make sure that you are on the latest one available. Like, obviously it's going to be harder for the older devices, but as long as it works, you should definitely keep on updating. And then try to go to the App Store again and see if it changes or if anything else becomes available. Outside of that, what you could also do is to browse the history of the apps. Like, if you tap on your profile within the App Store and go to the apps, you can see those which you have downloaded in the past. And if you previously used the same app and it got updated and it no longer is compatible, you can get the previous version like this. So you can download whatever you have downloaded before and kind of like re-get it back on your device. So definitely give it a try. In many cases, it will actually give you the last available version of the app. So that's what I would do. And outside of that, the last resort option would be to explore the web version of those apps. It doesn't work with every app, obviously, but for things like, I don't know, the WhatsApp or Instagram or other social media apps, those definitely feature a web version as well. So you can get inside the Safari or other web browser and just use it through this. It's going to be less convenient and probably not the best user experience, but it will get the job done in most cases. So let me know if you actually made the iPad compatible, or, if you fixed the issue. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.